Mistplay rewards are redeemed through the A-Piece rewards section, but a denied withdrawal usually means there is an issue with account verification, reward eligibility, or the redemption process. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Mistplay withdrawal can fail, and the steps to check before trying again. Mistplay uses units earned from playing supported games, and those units can be exchanged for available rewards inside the app. If your withdrawal or reward redemption is denied, start by checking your Mistplay account details. The first thing to check is whether you are using the correct Mistplay account. Switching accounts or using a different login method can cause problems because your units and reward history are connected to your account. Next, check that your account information is complete and accurate. Mistplay may require certain details before allowing rewards to be processed. If a reward request is denied, review the message shown in the Mistplay app. The reason provided can help identify whether the issue is related to verification, eligibility, or a technical problem. Another common step is checking your internet connection and updating the Mistplay app. An outdated app version or connection issue can affect how reward requests are processed. Avoid creating multiple Mistplay accounts to try to fix a withdrawal problem. Using more than one account can create account-related issues and make troubleshooting harder. If your units appear correct but the withdrawal still fails, contact Mistplay support through the app. Include details like your account email, the reward you tried to redeem, and any error message shown. Do not share passwords or sensitive account information when contacting support. Only provide the details needed to identify your account and the problem. A denied withdrawal does not always mean your units are lost. In many cases, the issue is related to account information, verification, or a temporary problem with the redemption process. To summarize, check your Mistplay account details, review the exact error message, and contact support if the problem continues. Your next step is to open Mistplay. Check your reward history and account information, then retrieve the redemption after fixing any issues you find. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app fixes, and troubleshooting tips.